قال فإنها محرمة عليهم 40 سنة يتيهون في الأرض فلا تأس على القوم الفاسقين.
Allah said, "This land will now be forbidden to them for 40 years, and they will remain wandering about on the earth. Do not grieve over the condition of these transgressing people."
واتل عليهم نبأ ابني آدم بالحق إذ قربا قربانا فتقبل من أحدهما ولم يتقبل من الآخر قال لأقتلنك قال إنما يتقبل الله من المتقين.
Narrate to them in all truth the story of the two sons of Adam, when both of them made an offering, and it was accepted from one of them, and was not accepted from the other. The latter said, "I will surely kill you." Thereupon the former said, "Allah only accepts offerings from the God-fearing.
لئن بسطت إلي يدك لتقتلني ما أنا بباسط يدي إليك لأقتلك إني أخاف الله رب العالمين.
Even if you stretch forth your hand against me to kill me, I will not stretch forth my hand to kill you. Surely I fear Allah, the Lord of the entire universe.
إني أريد أن تبوء بإثمي وإثمك فتكون من أصحاب النار وذلك جزاء الظالمين.
I would desire that you be laden with my sin and with your own sin, and thus become among the inmates of the fire. That indeed is the right recompense of the wrongdoers.
فطوعت له نفسه قتل أخيه فقتله فأصبح من الخاسرين.
At last his evil soul drove him to the murder of his brother, and he killed him, whereby he himself became one of the losers.